Yo, let's go, guys. Good morning, happy Wednesday. Ready to get the ball rolling. Looks like we might be in store for a little bit of volatility today because, man, I'll tell you what, the daily chart has been an absolute snore fest. Can you guys hear me well with the music going on? And remember to smash that like button for me. Today we're going to be doing three $50,000 starters from my funded futures in a giveaway and one $150,000 evaluation from Take Profit Trader. So big day today, giving away 4 accounts across the board here. Yo, Trader 007 MCZ in the house, the beast locking it down. What's up, Jerry? What's going on, Andrew? G, what's up, my man? Aeromech. Ashkar, what's up? Gregory, yeah, they're having some issues. A couple other firms are having some slight issues as well with the data feed from Tradeovate, from what I saw online recently. I have not logged into my TPT accounts just yet. Let me log in right now and see. I had the same issue Sunday night. I was able to send in a chat request on the website, and overnight, while I was sleeping, they answered it and fixed it. Let me see if mine is active still. Should be. It was the monthly data renewal that was giving issues. Yeah, I'm good to go over on Take Profit Trader. Nice T Cooper. I'm on live stream. Nice T Cooper. I was actually down there over the weekend. Big day today, says Tushar. It should be. If not today, tomorrow. So right now, switching over here to the daily chart. Yeah, I mean, if we get into that basically 21,900 zone, I'm gonna be looking to get short, to be honest, off that level. But I won't be overstaying my welcome. Just like if we pull back and hold, like this. Let me see here. 21,600 zone, could look for bounces there as well. Switch over to the hourly chart. Yeah, see, 21,650 zone, previous 1 hour support zone, and then we have resistance at 21,767. Shorts off that top end, long off the bottom end of the channel. And if we break up and over or under, then I'll be looking for extension moves and continuation on momentum plays. But that's what I'm looking at right now. Playing it safe, honestly, until we start to really get some continuation. Like yesterday, we had a real nice drop. And then the first bounce back, you know, I was like, oh, this is going to be a good short. It turned out not being a good short. I made some money somewhere. Lost some money in some other places. I wound up green on the day because the 5 Apex accounts I was trading at once. I do have all 20 done and passed. Actually, I got like 23 passed. But I'm trading sets of 5 for now. Until we get this market to either, you know, break out or break down, I'm going to be playing defense mode. Brand new, what's going on? You haven't had fresh hogfish in a while? Same here. I haven't had fresh hogfish in a long time. Guys, you hear the music fine? And you hear me okay? Yo, Bobby, good morning. Mini Trader, what's up? Andrew, waiting on one more piece of news. What do we got? 9:45 or 10 o'clock today? Let's see. ADP report came in and it was abysmal. 30-something thousand out of 111,000 forecasted. That's pretty nasty. I don't see anything coming. Oh, here we go. Found it. So we got S&P Global Composite PMI in 12 minutes. ISM non-manufacturing, ISM non-manufacturing employment for May, and PMI manufacturing. ISM non-manufacturing prices. So we got prices, employment, and PMI in 27 minutes. So 10 o'clock news. Yo, Joyce, what's up? Cheers. And that is not Cuban coffee. If that were Cuban coffee in that thing, would not be good. Not for the health anyways. Awesome, Big Dave. Guys, how are you doing? How's everybody doing? May was pretty good to me. Not as good as April, March, February, and January. The first 4 months of the year, Q1 of this year for trading for me was amazing. May was okay-ish. Wound up being okay at the end, but nothing to write home about. June starting off a little rough, ain't gonna lie. We're only, what is this, day 3 of the month for trading, and I don't really got a whole lot to show for. Check out, whoop, there we go, pushing through that high. Check out the SPY, just rocket ship right off the open, man. That's crazy. It's like the SPY doesn't give a damn. Next resistance zone on the SPY. Look at how much I gotta dig. Next resistance zone on the SPY isn't until right here. That is nuts. Previous support zone, previous support zone, previous support zone, previous resistance, resistance, resistance. Look at that. That one doesn't get any more clear. Resistance again way back here. So that's the next level on the SPY, which is 600. I mean, this damn thing's got room to 600. I mean, bro, like at what point does this market say, okay, I gotta rest? I really truly miss this volatility right here. Those were amazing days. Humongous ranges. This nonsense that we've been having lately is just boring. Very tough to make money in unless you're trading very large time frames. My longest trade last month was literally 9 hours. Mr. Hawk in the house. All right, so today we'll be doing 3 $50,000 My Funded Futures starter accounts giveaway. We'll do it to 3 different winners, and then we have a 150K TPT eval, which will go to 1 winner. So we'll have 4 winners today, guys. That's freaking great. We'll spread it out throughout the day. We'll do some trivia, and then we'll do some some of that like chances one where we just comment somewhere, and then the winner is picked randomly. We'll do that as well. The first trivia question we're probably gonna do in about 10 minutes, 15 minutes. We'll do the first trivia one. Whoever answers that the quickest and correctly will win the first $50,000 My Funded Futures starter account. The first of 3. Look at this thing go, bro. Insane. Hey, where's Palantir at? Oh, why are you dropping, Palantir? Don't drop. Don't drop. Nvidia just sideways. Alphabet getting slammed up a little bit here. Apple with the rocket ship. Amazon sideways. A lot of disconnect here. What is the NQ doing so high? Meta definitely leading the bunch. Look at that, bro. Freaking Meta. Up over $10 a share on the day. That's crazy. Guys, remember, here, let's go back. SPY. You guys remember? I was pounding the tables when I was buying this market. This is why you DCA into long-term investments. Look at this thing, bro. Look at where we're at. Oh no, but we're going to go down 80%. The world's going to end. We're going to be eating potatoes. If the world ends, then who cares? Because your money ain't going to be worth a damn thing anyways. Bro, a lot of people missed out yet another great opportunity. This was my previous one back here. Not to mention that and this. Come on, you got to do it. You got to make the jump sometimes. NQ pulling back here. If that 760 zone holds support, it could be a bounceable area. All right, guys. So in 4 more minutes, we're going to do our first giveaway. 4 more minutes to the first giveaway. And this one's going to be trivia. It's not going to be based on me like some of the others. It's going to be trivia that you could easily look up. But whoever gets the first, whoever answers it first correctly will be the winner. New video drops on Thursday. I think you're really going to like this video that's going to drop on Thursday. I'm going to be comparing various firms in that video, going over pros and cons, and showing you guys where some win, some lose, and kind of like setting, you know, like a butt for every seat type of thing. That'll be Thursday at 11 a.m. How do you enter? It's a trivia question. You're gonna have to answer it here live in chat. The winner, the first person to answer correctly will win. Yo, Mike, good morning. But I need some more likes on this stream. Let's go. Smash that like button for me, guys. SPY still moving around there. Pulling back some finally. There we go, pulling back. This level, if it holds support, you know, it could give a bounce. SPY's approaching the VWAP as well. Bigger drop coming in. SPY breaking underneath VWAP. 2 minutes to the first giveaway. If that 750 breaks down, she's going to drop hard. We're just trying to bounce now. SPY testing VWAP. Broke underneath it. Now it's trying to get back up over it. We'll see if we can get a little pop here. Nice recovery. Beyond tomorrow. Which giveaway? The one we're gonna do right now, actually. Guys, time for the first giveaway. $50,000 My Funded Futures Evaluation Starter. This one is going to go to the first person to answer correctly in chat. All right? It is a trivia question. Whoever answers first correctly wins in chat. And it'll go by my screen. As a matter of fact, let me just start pulling it up on this other computer. All right. So the question, are you guys ready? I'm giving you time. You ready? Whoever answers first. The question is, when was the last time the Florida or Miami Marlins won the World Series? What year was it? And you thought it was going to be trading related. Not a single right answer yet. $1997 was the first time they won the World Series. I was actually at one of those games as a kid. It was awesome. All right, guys. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. I see the winner. Let's bring it into frame. What screen are we on? This one. How do I get the chat in there? Hey, you can't see it. Oh, I gotta scroll all the way up. I had it. There it is. Mario, first person to have said the correct answer the last time the Florida Marlins or the Miami Marlins won the World Series was in 2003. Mario S, congrats. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. So, Mario S, winner of the first 50K starter My Funded Futures eval. Email me right now, info at Mario, email me right now there. Okay, email me right now there, and then we're going to confirm your email when I receive it. Put a subject line, and we'll confirm that subject line. Congrats, congrats. 50K My Funded Futures eval. We still have 2 more My Funded Futures 50K starter evals and 1 Take Profit Trader 150K eval to give away in this stream. So don't worry, guys. Plenty of opportunities to come. Yo, Jerry is in the house. What's up, man? Looks like this market is really waiting for that 10 a.m. news, guys. We might get a little pop, but it's really just not doing a whole lot. Even the SPY, just there sideways, not doing much at all. All right, Mario, let's go check. Okay, it's sent. Okay, what was the subject line that you put on that email? I have it here. I want to confirm. Okay, got it. Is this the email address that you use with My Funded Futures? Mario. Guys, remember to make sure that you're watching this in live and you're not delayed. Like you're not 15, 30 seconds behind or something. Sometimes if you leave the tab, it'll kind of pause, and when you come back, it picks up exactly where you left off. Okay, perfect. Okay, so that'll be the email. Okay, excellent. Because that's what I'll need, guys. When you win today, make sure you email me either from the email address that you use with the firm that you won, or just put the email address in the body of the email, which would be the email that you would use or currently use with that firm. You must have an account with them. It's free to make in order for them to transfer the credit to you when I send them these winners. Market looks like it wants to. Market really looks like it wants to dump today, guys. Could just be wishful thinking, but it really does look like it wants to dump today. Guys, did you know that Trade Day now lets you trade 3 funded accounts at once? No more of that single account stuff. No more of the single account stuff. You can trade 3 accounts now. So you could pass 3 evaluations and trade all 3 sim funded at once with Trade Day. No consistency rule either, and same day payouts. As long as you're above the buffer, like on the day one, if you're above your buffer, you can request a payout. So take a look at them, because you get yourself 5 take profit traders, 3 my funded futures, and 3 trade days. You're pretty good to go. All right, we got 7 minutes to the numbers now. Really hard to get into a trade here with the numbers coming out so soon. Johnny, what's up? What's up? Awesome, Mario. So later today, once the stream is over and I've gathered all the winners for the day, I'll go ahead and send the emails to the firms, and they'll work on that. You probably expect something today, tomorrow from them, just depending on when I'm able to get that information over to them. But you guys are locked in. Yes, you won a $50,000 starter at My Funded Futures. Price action right here at this previous support zone. Previous resistance, previous support. And we're right in that zone testing it. That's on the hourly chart. Yo, Trader 007. Yeah, man, of course. You guys make this happen here, so I love being able to give back some of these giveaways to you guys. Get you guys accounts and resets, courses, all that stuff. God bless you too, my brother. Alcy, hello. Man, if news wasn't coming out here, I'd probably be short here against the highs, to be honest, because you just got to give it so much room now. Yeah, 2003. So 1997, it was Marlins against the Cleveland Indians. I was at one of those World Series games. I was a kid. I went with my dad. We had a blast. And then in 2003, I didn't make it to the World Series. I couldn't get tickets. Like, it was just crazy. Every time they would come out live on the website, they would just sell so fast. But I did make it to 1 or 2 of the playoff games. So that was fun. I've also been to multiple of the Heat's finals. Those are fun. Yeah, Johnny, that's a good one. I like it. If it wasn't because we got news in 3 more minutes, I would be short already. But I don't like opening a position so close to big number drops. You could easily get wicked out on a stop when the news drops. Super whack. Been there, done that. So if I'm not in the trade from like a good while ago, then chances are I wouldn't be in it. I had to lower the music. Freaking got me all flustered. Fernando, we just had the first winner of a $50,000 My Funded Futures evaluation, and he won because he answered the trivia question correctly. The trivia question was, when was the last time the Florida or Miami Marlins won a World Series? Any entry? I mean, there's always entries. Just depends what you want to do. I don't do trade alerts though. Look at the chop. Look at that chop, guys. This is what the SPY's done today. Look at this. So far in this open. That's your SPY. That's your S&P right there. Crazy chop. That's why I said if I was short, I'd have to have a stop at the day's high, because you just gotta give it so much room right now because of the chop. So we're better off trading on a larger time frame. The long is easier, you know, as long as we're above 730. Yeah, we're just going sideways. We got a few seconds here for news to come out. This thing should go a little bit insane here. Full send. Full send is like, no, I'm just saying things. Guys, we will be... Whoa. That was nasty. What the hell just happened here? My trade evade is completely frozen. Wow. Bro, we haven't seen anything move like that in a minute. That was insane. All right, let's see when the dust settles what happens. Yo, the different trader, what's up? So global services PMI came in at 53.7 versus 52.3 expectation. Previous was 50.8. Climbing rather quickly here. S&P Global Composite PMI for May came in at 53. Expectation was 52.1. Previous was 50.6. And we got ISM non-manufacturing PMI came in lighter at 49.9 versus 52 expected. Previous was 51.6. ISM non-manufacturing employment came in at 50.7. And ISM non-manufacturing prices for May came in at 68.7. 65.1 was previous. Wild swings we're getting right now. Market's like, oh, I go up or down? And it just says yes. Franny says, do I ever give away my trading program or just free evals? I've done my program before, but sporadically. Not too often. Not too often, honestly. I'll tell you why. People value education more when they pay for it. I've noticed that over the years. I really have. They'll sit there and go through the program and do it right. Like I had somebody reach out to me recently over the weekend. I think it was the weekend. No, it was Thursday. Asking me about the trading program and stuff like that. Gave him a good discount on it, on the full curriculum. The full curriculum, meaning everything. from trading stocks and options, short, swing trading, and futures trading, everything. Give them a good discount on that. They bought it, and they've been working on it already. Yeah, see, Mario knows. People value it more when they pay for it. It's crazy, but you know, it is what it is. And I worked a lot on that program because I have the futures trading course separately from everything else, and all the courses are actually individuals. You can buy the options course if you want by itself, for example. But when you put the whole curriculum together, it's a curriculum. Like, it's literally a curriculum with quizzes and tests and stuff like that. Market just trading sideways still. Honestly, SPY new low, but it's back above the initial low from the morning for now. There's your initial low and your initial high. We broke underneath it. We bounced back up into it, and we're just in the chop zone still. I think it sells off. Hopefully it gives some clean setups though, or I'm gonna have to switch over to a larger time frame as well to trade. We did hold right in front of yesterday's close, so there's that too. Oh, look at that, Mario. I consult with an education company, and people that get it for free rarely do anything with it. That's crazy. But I know. I know. That's what happens. Bobby, yeah, Bobby. I think Bobby is the one that hit me up. We were talking about he won 150K TPT eval last week, and then we started talking about the courses, and I told him, look, man, I'll give you 50% off the entire curriculum, not off of just one course, because you know, there's nothing like you want to do the whole curriculum. You're starting to learn this and that. You rather just start from scratch. So I gave 50% off the entire curriculum, and if anybody wants it, I'll extend it to them today only. Just type in chat and I'll give you my email. You send me an email, I'll make a coupon code for you, get you 50% off the full curriculum. All right, we're looking like we're going to make another new low here. SPY still trying to hold up. That's a good point, G. Watching for bounces back into that 730 zone, see if that holds resistance. I mean, that's a safe bet, 21,670. I think we go lower than that today, but that's a safe bet for now. But that's why I like to have multiple contracts, so I can scale in and out of the position and let my runners run. Sorry guys, I had a text message I had to attend to there. Bobby's going through the full curriculum. He says there's so much to learn, and there's a shit lot of videos to watch and learn. My opinion is it's a course, not just someone trading strategy like other traders provide. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. We put a lot of time into that curriculum, so it's pretty jam-packed, full of information. Nice drop there. To the futures course? Yep, of course. Okay, so you can see them all right here. Franu. We're bouncing back a little bit here. That's quite a bounce back. That is quite the bounce back. SPY trying to get back to VWAP. Whoa, what a candle. Look at that thing. Are you kidding me? That's an insane candle. Absolutely insane candle. If that 720 to 740 zone holds resistance, we could see the next leg down. That's what I'm looking at right there, guys. It's your resistance zone there in that area. She's trying to get through 720. Through 720, you got that 730 to 740 zone. So that 20-point zone is what I'm looking at. Volume is definitely slowing down. You got VWAP there too. Yeah, we tested VWAP multiple times there. I see it now. We got VWAP at 720 and then resistance on the chart from 730 zone. She's trying hard to break that 720. SPY pushing right into that VWAP area. There's your SPY pushing right into the VWAP area. If these zones can hold resistance, we could see the drop. Otherwise, we're in for another recovery or chop. That would suck. So getting through VWAP on the SPY, getting through VWAP so far on the NQ on the 3-minute. Volume has been decreasing. NQ into that 35 zone, pulling back a little bit now. Gonna give it a shot here. We'll see what it wants to do, if it's gonna give me a nice little trade or a total failure. It's a nice high volume rejection of the zone. See what we can do here. Not going to turn it around for us? Well then. Looks like I might get stopped out. Yep. Wow, I'm really surprised that move did not take. SPY right above VWAP again. That was such a nice rejection of the VWAP and of that resistance zone. Looked like it was a sure thing, honestly. That was a low volume bounce into resistance. That's about a 70% setup of a new high on the day. I mean, the way things have been trading lately, pretty damn good, to be honest. We've been getting these drops and then they just get scooped up with such fury. This one was looking kind of weak, so I went after it. I might still go after it again, to be honest. Internet Explorer. Well, so far not going after it. Just watching. All right, gonna give it one more chance. Give it one more chance here. Stop over 40. I mean, it looks like a clean setup. Honestly, this is a bread and butter setup for me. It's a setup that paid me a lot. January, February, March, and April. Not so much in May. It did pay here and there. All right, there we go. Starting to get a little bit of a drop. Really surprised that we're just not getting that big old candle to the downside. Three-minute chart looks clean on the SPY for a fade. 15-minute is still testing the VWAP. Damn it, we just got right in front of my take profit. No, come back. I'm gonna get you. Get in there. No. Don't do that. That is ugly. You know what? I'm gonna take it right back down here. Choppy McChopperson is in the house. Golly, bro, the spy's back up over VWAP again. That is crazy. I don't like what it's doing right now, to be honest. That volume is so weak, though. Well, the scalps were in order there, but I'm trying to hold for a little bit bigger move. I'm gonna just take it off there, man. The SPY is looking like it wants to bounce harder. I can always re-enter the trade if needed. Right now, sitting red on the day. Oh, we're holding underneath that 730 zone, 740, but the SPY is the one that's making me feel uncomfortable. It's looking like it wants to push. There you go. Look at the SPY go. Isn't that wild? Completely wild. SPY pushing right back up into 597.50. Bro, what in the insanity is that? Look at that. Look at that thing go. Are you kidding me? Absolutely crazy. The SPY is giving zero craps about anything. It says, I do what I want to do. Forget your levels. They mean nothing. And Q by consequence, breaking up over 740. Jerry. Nice, Jarius. Bobby says, lesson 2, that you said something about swing trading and the video says it's swing trade, but your live stream you say that's not a swing trade. I'm confused. But yeah, swing trading is when you hold a position for at least overnight. So you open a position today, you close it tomorrow. That would be a swing trade. For example, I had a 9-hour trade last month. That was not a swing trade. That was a day trade. SPY be like, don't tell me how to live my life. Damn right. Lalo, no. You have a 50% consistency rule on TPT. So that means that it's going to take you at least 2 days to hit the profit target. But you got to trade for 5 days total. Once you hit the profit target, just the remaining days, flip some micros in and out real quick and you're done. Just book the trading day and work on another eval. Guys, the SPY pushing up in front of the high of day. Here's your high of day right here. Talk about recovery. Are you kidding me? From fresh new low all the way back up here. All right, guys. What time is it? 10:30. Time for another giveaway. Time for another giveaway. All right. So now we're going to do another My Funded Futures $50,000 evaluation. Starter. It's a starter plan. If it does new low to new high, that's going to be crazy bullish. You guys are just throwing out years already? Oh, man. All right, those of you who have been here long enough will know the answer to this. Those of you who are new or brand new here, then you got to stick around so you can learn things like this and be able to win. There will be one more $50,000 starter My Funded Futures evaluation giveaway before the stream ends, and a $150,000 take profit trader evaluation giveaway before the stream ends. So on to the second giveaway of the day. The first person to answer correctly in the chat will win the $50,000 My Funded Future starter. What state? Are you guys listening? You ready? I don't want to hear I wasn't ready. You guys ready? Put in chat that you're ready. Let me know you're ready. I need to see that you guys are paying attention because I don't want to hear no BS later. Too Short says yes. Anybody else ready? All right, Jerry's is ready. Gregory ready. Mike says he's at 100% capacity. What state was I born in? What state was I born in? Miami's not a state, bro. Oh, Jerry. Jerry's playing nice because he knows the answer. That's crazy. All right. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Gregory Jackson with the right answer. Hit me up for your eval. So Gregory, winner, winner. All right, there you go, Gregory. Send me an email right now, and then we'll confirm the subject line and make sure that it was you and get you all squared away. Jerry's. What an insane run up, bro, from the market. God, it's so choppy and annoying. Oh, there you go, Gregory. All right, let me know when you send that email so I can confirm with you that I received it. I just got an interesting email, guys, from Take Profit Trader. Can't share it. Can't share it. It's gonna be an exclusive. It's gonna be an exclusive only here on my channel. Gregory, did you email me? Sent? Okay. It's gonna be cool. Jarius. Not good or bad. I mean, it's gonna be good because we're gonna do something here on the channel. Still haven't gotten your email. Let me check my spam. Huh. Oh no, it's not in spam. I haven't gotten it in my inbox yet either. Oh, Mario being generous. He was gonna say the right state, but he was like, nah, I'm good. I already won one. I'll let somebody else win. I like that. I like that. Trader 007, I have no idea what you're talking about, bro. Maggie says, Jesse, would you ever consider opening your own prop? Absolutely not. I would have done it already. If that was something I would consider. No, I wouldn't. Opening one? Hell no. Running one? No. Consulting for one? No problem. I would actually enjoy that. I would not mind that at all. At all. Like consulting in how to do the programs, marketing and stuff like that for a prop. I would love that. As a consultant. Not as a director, not as somebody running day-to-day operations. Nope. Okay, so Trader 007, what you wrote was duck for please. So what are you trying to write? Dante, congrats on that long. You sent it again, got it. What is the subject line that you put in there, Gregory? What state are you from? Okay, I got it. Gregory, this is the email that you use currently with My Funded Futures. Because I need to send them this email address or whatever email address you use with My Funded Futures so that they can set you up. Will we double top up here and fade on the SPY? Or will we break out? Or are we in store for more sideways bullcrap chop? I hate this price action. You've never used My Funded Futures? Okay, so then if you want me to use this email, you need to go to My Funded Futures and set up an account with them. It's completely for free, obviously, to just set up an account where you can log in. Let me get you the link. Okay, so go there, set up an account, and once it's done, if you use the same email, let me know, and then I'll send this email address to them, and they will add the free account to that dashboard for you. So now we're gonna double top, bro. Some of the most annoying price action ever. That is insane. It screwed the longs, it screwed the shorts, screwed everybody. Nice, Mario. On Thursday, a new video drops, and one of the firms I cover on Thursday is My Funded Futures on their starter. So exactly on the plan you guys are all getting for free today in these giveaways. I actually go over that one a little bit more detailed compared to other firms, similar accounts. What an insane move this SPY just did, bro. NQ with that big old drop from in front of 760 all the way back down to 720. Not just sitting there. YouTube full send. Congrats on the green. What the hell? All right. Well, it's looking like it might want to just give up now, finally. That's what it's looking like. Let's see if it's true. Let's see if it's true. If she gets back under 700, that's when I think it's game over. That's when I really think it's just game over for it. She's done. Put a fork in her. All those sayings. Now SPY bouncing back up into this VWAP after getting back on down here in front of this low. Can she turn around now? All right, so we got one more. We got two more accounts to give away. We got the 50K starter from My Funded Futures, and then we have the 150K take profit trader eval. So we still got those two to give away. I know one of them for sure we're going to use the random comment picker. And then the other one, maybe we do another trivia. Do you guys want to do trivia for that one? One more trivia and then one more random comment picker? What do you think? That was a great answer, Internet Explorer. Yeah, I'm going to do the random comment picker on the TPT for sure. Can you just do a draw for the... We're going to do one of those for the TPT for sure. Ask you something easy. That's easy stuff. I got to make this next one harder. All right, if we can get under 720, this is my third and final trade of the day. If we can get under 720, I think we have a good shot. How to move lower. LA. Man, it's looking like it wants to bounce again, but it's just looking so much weaker now. She's definitely looking weaker. I don't really know it or remember it because we came from California to Florida when I was 3. Let's see if this one wants to pay out. Nice. I used to go up there to Miramar all the time. I had a friend that lived in Pembroke Pines. A couple friends, actually. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Oh, first take profit hit. Finally. Got a little something, something. Let's take one more off. Stop at the runner on break even. Let's see if we can get a damn drop out of this fucking market. Freaking annoying action. Back to green on the day, I think, on those two. This runner could be the one that makes the day worthwhile or really solidifies the green. Or maybe I end up with a small red. How did I know? I didn't freaking know. If I would have known we were going to get a drop, like 100% certainty, I wouldn't have had 3 lots. I would have put my entire net worth into the trade, and then I would have doubled it or quadrupled it. You never know. You just play your odds. That's why we manage risk. That's why every time we go into a trade, the first thing that we should know, the very first thing we should know is where our entry is, and based off of that, where is, based off of the chart setup, where is our risk? So that with those 2 pieces of information, we can know the most important thing that you need to know on a trade. How much money am I risking? See, stopped out at break even there on the last one. Market just refuses to dump. Made back a good chunk of the loss on the day, but still red. Still red on the day. It's been a very tough start to the month, man. We're only 3 days into June, and friggin' hey, it's been the toughest trading we've seen all year. What time is it? 10:48 p.m. Sorry, a.m. p.m. What the freaking hell am I talking about? Oh man, the chop continues. The chop continues. Insane. Okay, so the next... Let's go. Let's find the next giveaway here. Okay, I think I got the first question for us. Okay. So the answer The question is going to be simple. You guys think you're going to get the answer right out the gates. You're probably not. The first person to answer this correctly will win a $50,000 starter at My Funded Futures evaluation. Okay? The question is, are you guys ready? First, I got to make sure you guys are ready. Are you guys ready for this? The next one is going to be a random picker. The next one. Okay, so you guys are ready? All right. The question is, where was the first stock exchange in the United States? So where was the first stock exchange in the United States? The first person to answer this correctly will win a $50,000 My Funded Futures starter. Amazing. All right, guys. Winner, winner. Winner, winner. I see the winner. T. Cooper. Philly is correct. That is where the first United States stock exchange was done. Email me at the email there provided. Use your My Funded Futures email, or if you don't have one, go do one, and send it to me because I need that email address so I can give that email address to My Funded Futures so that they can add the account to you there. And then we're going to start loading up for the next giveaway, which is going to be a random comment picker. He said Philly. That's Philadelphia. Oh, wow. That's crazy, Internet Explorer. What do you mean Phil? He never said Phil. He said Philly. Literally wrote Philly, which is Philadelphia. Oh, okay. Somebody else had said Phil. All right. I was like, what are you guys talking about? All right. So let me load up the next one. So we could do 150K TPT eval. T Cooper, did you email me already? I don't have your email just yet. All right, I'm getting it ready. Okay, I'll be posting it in chat in a few minutes. Let me square away here with Cooper. Make sure I got his email. Nothing yet. Okay, you just sent it? Nothing yet, man. Let me check the spam. Nothing in spam. I'll give it another minute. Active trades. That's really weird. I haven't gotten it yet, man. Could just be my email. Let me check it on my phone. Okay, I got it in my phone. What's the subject line that you use, T. Cooper? Okay, I gotcha. And that's the email for My Funded Futures, right? If you haven't set it up because they're gonna need you to have an account in order to get that squared away and done for you. Okay, guys. 150K giveaway time. Eval with Take Profit Trader. I'm going to put in chat a link. You click it. Go to that old live stream. Leave a comment. There is literally one comment on there now. It's an old one. I already taken notice of it, so we'll make sure that's not the one that wins. We can, if it gets chosen by the generator, we'll just rerun it. All right, so ready? You guys ready? Let me know in chat if you're ready to click this one and move on to the next giveaway. Throw some likes on this stream for me as well, guys. Hit that like button. Remember, Thursday, new video drops 11 a.m. All right, here we go. Boom. All right, go. Go there now. I'm going to give you guys about 10 minutes to get that one done. 5-10 minutes. 5-10 minutes. No, Bobby, not yet. I haven't even replied to them. I have the email there. I got to reply. All right, guys, you got 4 minutes left. The recovery on this market is absolutely insane. Look at that thing. I caught that little short here, that little tiny short, because I in my mind, bro, like this market is just so overextended at this point, but it just won't go. It won't drop. The SPY is about to push towards the highs. Look at this 15-minute chart on the SPY. Look at that 15-minute chart on the SPY. That's crazy. Look at that low from earlier. Right back up over the freaking VWAP, bro. Are you kidding me? Yeah, I mean, I wouldn't call it lucky. I just call it managing risk good. I stopped out of it at break even on my final contract. I took profits rather quickly. And then I left a runner to see if it can run. It didn't. You know, it's just really, really annoying action. I made money this week, Monday, with long setups. But now, you know, thinking, hey, you know, these bounces are because the bounces are very weak. They're very low volume. But we're just getting the chop and the grind. That is 100% true, Internet Explorer. Nice, Mario. Well, today is a day to trade on larger time frames. Some micros on a larger time frame and set a stop loss and get up and go about your day. Yeah, for real. It does say a lot. It's just so choppy. Cool, T. Cooper. So with that same email that you sent me, that same email address, that way I know to send it to MFF. Tushar, congrats. That's great. It's one hell of a day. Awesome. Okay, so I'll do that. All right, guys. Time is approaching. 1 more minute. Giving you guys 1 more minute. One more minute to comment on this video that I just posted in chat again. It's an old live stream. Leave a random comment there, and that'll enter you into the giveaway that we're going to run in a few more seconds, where the random comment picker is going to pick the winner. Do they sponsor me to give away accounts? So, like, do they pay me to give away accounts? No. That'd be nice. Wait, I just modified the OG comment. Was that you who had commented there originally? Mario? Oh, I see what you're saying. Okay, I got you. Okay, guys. So I'm going to start getting these things ready here so we can run it. SPY pushing the high area. Believe it or not, I don't believe it. I don't believe it freaking at all. Okay. So here we go. Comment picker. Here is the live stream, the old one. We'll refresh it. And my old intro thing. We'll refresh it. We got all the comments there now. Filter duplicate users. Let's go. All right, let's see who's the lucky winner. Jerome, hope worked for you this time, my man. Congratulations. You won the 150K TPT eval giveaway. So, you got to be here. I hope you're still here. Oh, okay, perfect. So email me. Email me here, Jerome. Email me here right now with the subject line of your choice. We'll confirm that. Make sure to use the email that you have with Take Profit Trader. Let me know in chat when it's done, please. And the SPY right back up to the high of day, guys. Incredible. In the meanwhile, guys, here are going to be some of the current specials going on in prop land. Oh, Jerome, got your email. What is the subject line that you used? Let's confirm that. All right, perfect. Gotcha. Okay, man, squared away. So, guys, I got everybody here. All your giveaways will be done, taken care of today. I'll send them in to TPT and MFF. Expect something from them within the next, 1 to 2 business days at the latest. More than likely it's today, but I rather under promise and over deliver. Once I send this email to them, it's completely out of my hands how quickly they get it all set up. All right, but they are aware of this and everything should be good to go. So we'll do that on Thursday. I'm going to be dropping a new video. You're going to like this video. I'm going to compare a bunch of different firms, face-to-face challenge, to see which one suits your needs the best, depending on usually your skill level and stuff like that. Okay, also your budget levels. So that video drops Thursday at 11 a.m. I think you're going to like it a lot. I'm also going to do another giveaway in that video, so make sure to watch it and participate in that. Guys, thank you very much for watching today, for tuning in and hanging out with me here on the live stream. I'll be back more than likely next week, Wednesday at 9:15 a.m. Remember, I upload videos Mondays and Thursdays at 11 a.m. and I stream Wednesdays at 9:15 a.m. It was my pleasure to hang out with you guys today. So good luck, stay green, and I'll see you